special breed, lucky bamboo. This is actually quite a big flower market, man. But of course, if you go to other country, the flower market over there could be bigger. It's quite nice to touch, man. There's a CNY Channel here, bazaar, just beside the block 101. It's a bit quiet. They don't have music or something. There is, but it's soft volume. Oh, the firecrackers. You see here the horse, so lots of decorations. It's amazing, right? Very, very cute. They are keeping nodding their heads. Fortune will come here anytime for you guys as well. And check this, so cool, man. I think I've been to many CNY bazaar. I've never seen the Sun Wukong before here. This is a solar one. 太阳能孙悟空摆件，$80 and 80 cents. Wow, look at that. $16.80, 1.5 meters. These are the better CNY fairs I've been to, better than the Clementi one, because there's so much variety and so many cute items, and it can be compared to the Chinatown one as well, or even better, man. Oh, this is nice. A pair of fish, right? Fish represent money. Oh, this is a combo set, man. How many horses are there? 8 of them. Oh, my eyes are blurred now. There's so many horses. Oh, this is really special. At first I thought it was like some kind of red packet, no? But it's turned out to be a sticker. A pair of oranges. Wow, I don't think there's another CNY which is better than this. It's a kind of medium scale fair, right? And it's not so crowded because it's a HDB estate yet. The stuff they have here, I mean the things they have here, decorations, is one kind of its own, man. It's so nice. And even outside the shop, they have all these big lanterns. This is Chong, man. So nice, right? Especially that 3 rotating luminous lanterns. And they arrange that. You see a kind of carrot or pineapple from big to small. There's a red one as well. It's just undescribable. I think the items are imported. I mean, bought from China first and imported here to Singapore. Here we got this shop selling the CNY goodies. Here the pineapple tart, let me try it. There's one more here, the peanuts and some kind of cracker. Look at this, man. The horses auto galloping, and this one. Lots of stickers, man. $1. Wow, the mini ang bao is